Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make a paper size in Microsoft Publisher. So get started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show make A4 size paper. Now going to the page design option. Now click for size option. Then click. Then we show the interface. Then we show many page size. Now we can see, now select from A4 portrait. Now click for A4 size. That it's. Now you can see. Then again, now going to the page design option. Then click for size option. Then we show the A4 size. Now select, then click for A4 size. That it's. Then we show make A4 size paper in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for